What is up, everybody? This is Leo Smith-Butler the third, and I'm super excited. I'm on my private Facebook group right now for the franchise, the online franchise. You guys probably know a lot about it. It's called Easy1Up, and here in my private Facebook group, you see there's already a pinned post, and the first post is just literally showing my success. So I'm going to show you all a little bit of that. So as you can see right here, I've already done over $100,000 with the platform with only 146 members that actually got activated. So that's how powerful this platform is. You guys know how the commissions go from $25 all the way up to 1,000, 2,000. So it's really easy to hit this number when you guys do the math. But the reason why I was making this video, because you guys know I make videos about this all the time. This one's a lot different. I found a system that's better than the one I was previously using to actually do these numbers. So not a system I created. This system was created by a guy named David Deckel. So I just want to explain this to you guys and teach you how to get involved, because you might already know about the platform. And essentially, if you don't, I'll explain a little bit of it as I go. But what he created is called the Profits Passport, and the people are seeing success even during quarantine time, COVID-19, all that stuff. He has a private Facebook group, a Facebook group of his own, with almost 13,000 members, as you can see. If you scroll down, look, 30 minutes ago, a guy already got a $2,000 payment. Let's just keep going. 19 hours ago, another guy got a $2,000 payment. You keep going. This guy's getting a ton of traffic from David Deckel's platform. If you guys know what traffic is, it's basically people that are coming to your website, so you don't have to worry about doing all that on your own when you're involved in David's system. So that's really cool. I also do traffic myself, so it's just double the traffic if you're involved in my team, which is a part of David's team. Look at this guy's made $1,000. What is that? Earlier, 555. That's crazy. This guy, 4 hours ago, he made $125 because he made a $25 level sale here and then a $100 level sale. So essentially, in the platform, if you guys don't know, there's one, two, three, four, five, maybe six different education platforms, and it's kind of like Netflix, where you just purchase whichever level. Like the $25 level has its own marketing training in it, and then a $100 level has just a better marketing training in it. And then there's a 250 level, a 500, a 1,000, and a 2,000, where you're gonna go out there and just get different education levels that just get more powerful as you continue to rise up and upgrade into the higher levels that you can afford at the time. So the best part about David's platform is literally all you have to do is send traffic to the funnel, and he's created this beautiful funnel and a system. I'm going to show you guys right now. It's called the Profits Passport. I just want to kind of show you a little bit more success real quick, because anybody can do this. I've seen a lot of success myself, like I've shown you guys here, but I saw a couple of my members make 4 grand a month when they got involved, but these people are having like massive success, and you don't have to do much but get them involved with this system, and then the rest is done by David. It's so cool. David literally does all the rest through omnipresent. So it's not like he's working 24/7. It's just the system is already set up to answer any questions you have, to help you set up every single step. And the cool thing about this system, and this is what it looks like, not when you're on the inside, and I'm gonna teach y'all how to get set up, because I want this one video to do it all for y'all right now. So this is why the system's so powerful. So when you get involved, I'll have the link at the bottom of this YouTube video, and you guys can just click it, go ahead and get started. And then the cool thing is there's multiple income streams. So the first one is Easy1Up. So if you guys are familiar with the platform, this is the one that I made over 100,000 with. That's just the first income stream. So the average millionaire has 7 income streams. This one has 1, 2. This is another business. This is another business. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different income streams. So the average millionaire has 7. So this is like, there you go, perfect for you. And then you just guide your way down. So I honestly recommend just being at income stream number 1 for even like a whole year if you need to. That's the best part about it. So when you get involved, and you start to make money in this, then you can start to, get involved with income stream number 2. You just click the button and sign up there. Then you click the button and sign up for number 3 when you're ready for that. And then the cool thing is at the bottom, it even teaches you how to get traffic. So traffic is the people that are going to your website. So you don't have to tell your friends and family about it. All you got to do is go in here and click this get traffic button. He's telling you right now, make sure the seller has at least 3 sales in the last 30 to 60 days when you're looking on there, and then make sure they have a minimum of 70 to 80% USA, Canada, UK, Australian traffic, meaning like those people are coming mostly from those countries. So, and you want to make sure they don't have bad reviews. So he's even teaching you like how to look for good traffic so you guys don't buy bad traffic and then blame it on the system. You know what I mean? So you just click that button, get traffic there. You can pay for traffic, but I actually teach you guys how to get free traffic in my private Facebook group. So you guys will get inside my private Facebook group as soon as you're involved. But this is the cool thing is when you get started, and also what you're going to get as a bonus, David's going to help you out with traffic and all that stuff at every single level. But for myself, at the $500 level and up, I start to give you guys the clothing line because you can see at the top, Kalo Courses is my brand. We have an Instagram page with Ray J, who did the video with Kim Kardashian, and he's pretty famous right now. You guys know Ray J, he comments and follows and stuff, but our clothing line is sick, and I'm going to give you guys a piece of the clothing line. Anything you choose. This is just the pink crew neck. I got the black hoodie with me. I'm actually wearing the tan hoodie right now. So I got the black hoodie as well here. You guys see the drip. It's super cool. Everything in our store online sells for $497, kind of like Kanye's Yeezy line. It's like a streetwear line, but luxury at the same time. And the reason why it's like that is because I want only leaders who are promoting the entrepreneurship, literally who have the common desire of leaving the world a better place. I want you guys rocking this. Here's the pink hoodie. We even got a sweatpants. I'm wearing the black sweats right now. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I got the gray pants as well. This gray sweatpants right here, they're unisex, and they're sick. They're really sick. Got the logo. It's awesome. And then we even have what? Oh, here's a white hoodie. Hoodies in white. They're sick. Awesome. Looking really good. You know what I mean? White hoodie right there. So you just get to pick your choice whenever you come in at least a $500 level or above. We should even have leggings for the ladies. They just came out, the ladies line. So here's some leggings. That's the back. This is what the front of the leggings look like. I can't wear these, obviously, but the ladies, entrepreneurship is definitely for ladies. You guys can actually kick a lot of butt on here using your Instagrams and social medias. Like, you guys are already taking amazing pictures, guys, too. But, ladies, this is just your game. So all you need to do is promote your link to David's platform, and you're going to make a ton of money. So this is how you set it up when you go into the link down below, and you go ahead and get started. You're going to be sent to a page just like this, and it's going to be empty. This right here is going to be empty. And this whole 1 hour and 46-minute video is going to teach you exactly how to set up every step. It's going to have testimonials from all these people making money. And look at that. It's just showing people success. So look at that, 2,000 sale. This is awesome. And so David's teaching you exactly what to do when you get on this website through these videos, through this one video actually right here. So that's the best part about it. He teaches you about basically every income stream you need to know about. In this one video. So you don't even need to watch that. You don't even need to watch that video. But all you need to do is when you get involved, go ahead and click the sign up / create account, and then go ahead and choose what income level you want to come in at. The $25, the $250, 25, 100, 250, 500, or the 1,000. And there's even the $2,000 level now that we have in there as well, if you want to get involved at that level. But I highly recommend, if you do want to come in at the 2K level, just get started at the $1,000 level and use the other 1,000 for traffic. And I'll teach you how to do that as well. Just go ahead and message me. You're going to get my private Facebook group as well. I'm going to go out there and add you on Facebook. And my Facebook link will also be in the description, my messenger. So you can just click my messenger and message me right away as soon as you get started. And this is for everyone also that's in I Am Academy. I want you guys to know that if you're going to trade on the Forex market, if you're going to trade on the market, you want to make sure that you have funds to go out there and do that. You can start a $200 account and take it to wherever you want, but it's going to be a slow process. But if you continue to use a platform like this, then you'll have funds to go out there and use in the market. So say you blow your account, then you'll still be able to generate more money that same day. If you're doing this, you're using this system, then you can go out there and trade with that. So you shouldn't be having like those down days. You just keep on building, and all you got to do to build is promote your link. This is your link. It's right here, right underneath the video. Everyone's going to have their own custom link. So when you get involved, just remember to highlight that link. I like to turn it into a GoDaddy link because this is kind of weird. Like it's really long. You don't want to be posting that and sending that to everyone all the time, even though it will work. If you go to GoDaddy.com, literally for like 99 cents, you can get a year of a domain. So you can pick any domain you want as long as no one already has it. And if you need help with that, just message me. Like I said, my Facebook Messenger link will be in the description of this video. But yeah, this is why I'm making this video. Y'all know I make videos about this platform all the time. I've worked with multiple of the top leaders. I've been invited to New York with the CEO, Peter. He invited me out there, flew me out, fed me with all the top leaders. And, I met all of them. And none of them were doing what David's doing. Like the best thing I saw was what I was doing with this private Facebook group. And you guys are going to get that as well. But David's group is so sick. You're seeing all the success in here. They're extremely active. And people are like, average people are seeing like massive success. You see 2K sales literally like all the time. You see me scrolling. I just can't get away from them. Look at another one. Jeff Ruiz had another 2K sale. This is incredible stuff. So during a time like this, when you need to be making extra money, this is the type of stream you want to have working while you're maybe at work or just hanging out. A lot of people, even in the group, they're talking about, I was watching my kid play video games, etc., and this money came in, or I was mowing the lawn. Look at this guy. He said I had an 8,500 sale come in from income stream number 5 when I was busy throwing my son's 12th birthday. So like you can literally be doing anything. In my experience, I've just been doing whatever, living life, and that's when my sales come through. It's not like you have to be working and grinding your gears, and that's when you're gonna make money. It's literally omnipresent. These videos are running 24/7, 365 as long as you keep promoting your link, and you're gonna make money on the clock. You're gonna make money while you sleep. So that is real. It is possible. So once you get involved, once you choose what level you want to get it started at, take your username, which I'll show you where to get that from. This is the dashboard. I'm gonna log in really quick. If they make me log in, yeah, it looks like they're gonna make me log in really quick. So I'm gonna log in for y'all. 1 second here. I don't mind if y'all see my password. Oh, you can't even see it. That's fine. Okay, so once you're in, and you make sure you use a good username and password that you're going to remember, because you want to make sure you can log into this every single day if you have to. Make sure you don't forget it. So you're going to log in. You got to make sure you type in the captcha code, by the way. You can see right there, mine is 712. They just want to make sure you're not a robot, so you type 712. Yours might be 456. Just type whatever you see in the box. So I'm logging in right now, and I've created this new account for y'all so you can watch my growth. I've already been working it a little bit and made over 6,000, as you can see, but I showed y'all my $100,000 account right here in my Facebook group. But like I said, I'm going to show y'all how I can make $1 million with this one just using David's system. And what you want to do to get your username is once you log in, if you don't remember your username, it should be right here in parentheses. So you just copy it on the top right, Control C. If you're on Mac, it's Command C if you want to copy, or you can just right click and copy it and take that over to the Profits Passport system and just paste that right here. So you paste that, then you click save and update, and boom, you're all done. Literally, you're all done. And then next thing you want to do is make sure you have your payment option set up. So the easy part, all you have to do to set that up is go to my account from your dashboard, go to my profile, and then scroll down. You're going to see Stripe is the one that a lot of people use. So if you got Stripe, you can use this one and then just type in your Stripe key. It's a quick Google to find out what's my Stripe key. Once you get Stripe, it's easy. Just get the app Stripe. But if you want to use like Cash App, PayPal, Bitcoin, Zelle, Apple Pay, like I use, just literally type this in. We're currently accepting PayPal, Bitcoin, Google Pay, Zelle, Cash App, whatever options you have, make sure you put that, and then put your links to it. So my PayPal link is right here. My Google Pay link is right here. I'm going to zoom in so y'all can see it. My Zelle link is right here. My Cash App link is right here. I just put the username. I'm actually verified on Cash App thanks to Spotify because I make music, and we have the record label, Kalo Courses as well. So as our brand grows, you guys will continue to grow, because when you get the clothing, when you come in at a $500 level or above, just post a picture. Send me a picture, and I'll post it on our Instagram of over 10,000 members. And you guys are going to get clout. You're going to get new members, new followers. And guess what those followers can become? Buyers. Those followers can become buyers if they just click your link. So make sure you got your link in your bio on Instagram. if you're rocking with Instagram, which you should be. So I even put my Bitcoin address here because if you guys know about Bitcoin, literally it's incredible. You can have $5,000 in Bitcoin just sitting there, and you guys know the money will continue to move up. It's not like the traditional dollar where it's just kind of standing still. This is money where the value goes up and down, but if long term, it's bound to be up. If you have been watching Bitcoin lately, it's actually survived the quarantine and all that stuff. Has been pretty stable, so that's incredible. If you can survive the quarantine, you can survive anything. So these are all my links. If you look closely, when you put a HTTP or a www link and you want someone to be able to click it, make sure you follow these directions right here at the bottom and put these enclosed brackets with the words URL. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, just look what I did. You see how I put the brackets URL and then at the end you put /URL and then the brackets around that? You have to do that in order to make your links clickable. If you don't do that, it'll literally be there, but it won't be clickable, which it won't be as streamlined. It won't be as easy for people to click. Not all of my links are clickable. For example, it says send payment to. This is my email for Zelle, so people know just go ahead and send it to that email. And then for Cash App, just type in that username. So not everyone needs to have a link, but if you have one, for example, my PayPal link, you got your PayPal link might be just your email for PayPal, and just put that there. But if you have a link for your PayPal, like we do, then go ahead and put that link, but make sure you use the URL brackets. That's like basically the most important thing I want to tell you guys. And from here, you can just be making money. So don't click any of these boxes, the checks, cash, one, the FedEx, any of that, the UPS, MoneyGram, Western Union. Don't click any of those. Like I said, use the custom payment options. Once you're done with that, scroll down and make sure you click update my profile. So the cool thing is they do have a Cash App button, it looks like, and a Zelle button now. This is new. Everything keeps updating over time. Ever since I've been involved, things have been updating, and I just noticed this like right now. Today I realized that Cash App and Zelle have their own button. So all you do is click update my profile. Once you click that, then it's going to save. Once you know it's saved, it'll refresh your screen like it's doing for mine. It says profile has been updated. So once you're done with that, go ahead and click here to view the updated profile page. Just to make sure everything's saved, go ahead and click your custom payment option button and then you see how the box is filled in. It should be that way. Then you're good to go. You can click back at the dashboard. You can start sharing your link. And you can start generating income. So that's the super cool part about this whole system. It is super simple. I thought my system was simple. If y'all watch my old videos, I used to talk about how incredible it was. But innovation is incredible. Things get better over time. We used to have Nokia phones. Now we have iPhones. So things are going to continue to get better. So I'm excited for everybody that gets involved with this video. Remember, I will be sharing this with the I Am Academy team because, like I said, it is important for you to generate money. I don't know every Friday that you're going to generate money in your I Am Academy link. But if you have this, you can generate money instantly. You're going to generate 100% of your income. In the I Am Academy, you're making success together. So that's what we're able to offer you, the success there. But here, you're still going to be able to generate a lot of money on your own. This isn't like, a pyramid by any means because you're not sharing any of your money. You own a franchise. So you're literally making 100% of your money. So that's the cool part about it, and that's what I love about it because I know a lot of people since I was a young entrepreneur, they've been saying, like, is this a pyramid? Am I sharing my money? How much percent do I get? And you're getting 100% in this business. Now, with I Am Academy, y'all know how that compensation plan works. If you don't, make sure you just check out, I think, kalocourses.com, and it should be leading you to learn more about that business. But this is about this platform. Super excited for y'all to, be involved with this thing. So click the button in the description. Let's make some money together. Make sure you go ahead and click my Facebook Messenger link. I will have that there for y'all to go out there and reach out to me at any time. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video. I don't want to make this one long because you guys have everything that you need here. The private group is called David Deckel. I'm gonna invite you into that one. The six-figure mentorship group, that's my personal group. I'm gonna invite you into that one, and you got all the success you need. And remember, the products are gonna teach you marketing skills, professional marketing skills. So if you're in the I Am Academy, you need to know how to market. So make sure you get involved in this platform because the product is gonna teach you how to be a master marketer. So I'll see y'all on the next video. Love y'all. Peace.